Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use an external microphone on your phone. So let's get started. I already have an unboxing video of this microphone on my channel, so you can check it out. The link is in the description box below. So all you need is the microphone and the receiver. Next, put the receiver into the charging port. Let's test our microphone. Click on your recorder and turn on the microphone. Press on the power button until it's completely green and not blinking. Let's click on the record button to test it out. Can you see the spikes when I tap on the microphone? As I speak into the microphone, can you see the spikes as well? This means the microphone works. So when you are done recording, just save your audio. Guys, so this is how to use an external microphone on your phone. If you found this video helpful, then check out the content creation playlist next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.